Hello everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Angela Lifestyle. I'm Angela, and this is my dear friend Sheree.
I'm Sheree.
And she comes over today and she gonna make a nice, easy, simple dessert for Valentine's. So Sheree, you can get started.
This is what you're gonna need. We're gonna use one pistachio filling. Gonna pour it in this. Mix 2 cups of milk, which is right here. It'll form in like a heart. Just whip it up.
Oh,
then you let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes. It'll start getting hard.
And when you say hard, are you talking about, will it get like a jello consistent?
Yeah, and then after that, you'll just mix your Cool Whip in there.
Oh, okay.
And then after that, you're gonna turn it red and put it in there. Within a couple of hours, it's ready.
Okay, a question I want to ask you. You're gonna use food coloring in this right here, so you can use this pie for any type of occasion. You know,
you can make the March is what?
Is it
St. Patrick?
Yes,
you can do the St. Patrick.
Yeah.
April, you got Easter. You could do the different color Easter.
Okay.
And what I would do is I'll take this.
Mm-hmm.
Once I get it all did, let that right there sit for a minute. It'll start forming, and then you're gonna take this right here, and you're gonna add all that in there. Once it starts forming, it'll start. You see how it's getting now? You see? It's getting like a gel.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna take all of this, and you're gonna whip it into this.
Oh boy, that looking good already.
Just mix it.
Oh yeah, put it in there. And so we can just put this in the refrigerator.
And you just put it in the refrigerator
for to it chill real hard.
You put this back on there like that, and then you fasten it down.
Okay. This is the master cook right here. This is my friend. I love her so much because she is. I just got to show you guys. She brought me some fresh produce, and I'm gonna show you what she brought. Okay. Now these right here are fresh. These right here are mustard green right here that she happened to take out of her father's garden this morning. And these right here, what she have in her hands right here, these are fresh turnips. Okay, the greens, and also we'll cook the root. This is what we call a rutabaga, and we'll cook
turnip roots.
Turnip roots, yeah. And we'll cook them. They're very healthy for you as well. But like I said, these are some of the nice gifts that that she brought to me this morning. I tell you, thank you, Sheree. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I tell you, thank you. And guys, we'll get back. Just hold on, just a minute, style. So Sheree will let the pie chill. So we're gonna cut it and taste it. See how it's gonna come out. Do the honors, Sheree.
All right.
Yeah, I see what you're getting. Yeah. As long as you let it stand and chill.
Chill a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Firm it a little bit.
It's really good. It just needs to chill a little more. You like the taste?
This is delicious. Do the pudding have the macadamia nuts? Okay, that's from, okay.
It's really good when it get a little colder.
Okay. This is really good. I taste the macadamia nut. It's really good. And this is a very simple pie that you can use during, the holidays. Valentine's Day is coming up. Easy, simple, and very delicious. So try it. And thank you so much, Sheree. I thank you so much for coming in and checking out with Angela.
And you are very welcome.
And I just spend the day with my love it. So, and also we're gonna get Sheree back again and see what she's gonna bring to the table again. What do you have in mind in that time, Sheree?
I think I'll do some deer tacos.
Okay.
And if she let me, I'll do y'all some fried coon.
You hear this, guys?
Some fried possum.
Whoa.
And we might even stew rabbit down with some 30-weight gravy.
Okay, now. And this not the Beverly Hillbillies neither. But granted, this is Sheree. So we thank you so much for coming in and checking out Angela Lifestyle. And come back and subscribe to my channel. And we thank you so much. And God bless you. Love you guys. And tell your friends about Angela Lifestyle again. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.